Hey guys, a video on the S&P. Yeah, crazy day, up, down, up, down. There was some news as well, but ultimately, yeah, this is not looking good for this 1-2 setup. It's showing a lot of weakness here, okay? And especially then on the weekly. Yeah, it would have been ideal to get above this point of control here, of this range. But yeah, looks like we're gonna fail. We might even fail to put in a green candle because it's like, yeah, look at this, it's now fighting to make it green. Or wait, where is the price? Ah, it's here. Never mind, I thought it was here, but we're down here. It's fighting to make it green or red. Regardless, we'll probably close below this point of control. We'll close below the 20 EMA here on the weekly, this yellow line. So that's not so good, okay? I'm gonna remove these point of controls here because these are from like very small ranges. I'll leave this one still here, but also this one we already tested it and it's from a very small range as well. If the weekly closes like this, we need to focus on this area, okay? The point of control of this range sitting at 6,467 and the first FIP at 6,441, taken from this low to this high, and we can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move up in here. So we are expecting correction, but yeah, maybe sometimes you get a very shallow one if the market is bullish, and it really tried here a lot of times, but yeah, this close will not be so good, okay? It will be 2 weeks in a row below this point of control, and this might then indicate more downside price action. By how much? Yeah, it's not too much anymore. 3.5% till we get to this stronger area, okay? And then if you look at some of the Max 7 stocks, yeah, Google can also still move down a little bit to these FIPS here, to the point of control. Apple, I haven't looked at this one in a while, but yeah, I think we're still in this wave 4 because this is no structure to work with to the upside. Maybe we'll move down a bit more, and then yeah, this is your next area to watch. 237, taken from this move down to this move up as a potential ABC. Okay, and you can see here, like, I could even put this wave 2 here, ABC, and then it makes sense to have a little bit of a range here as well, so it's no problem that this takes a little bit longer, okay? Nvidia, yeah, I've been repeating it so often that I want to see these lows taken. So this weekly close might be again an indication that we're going lower. Already I told that this is looking like a very 3-wave move here to the upside, and then this could have been a part of a larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a larger ABC, okay? But it's looking good in the sense that, look, we're getting selling here with some strong red candles on the 4-hourly. We reacted to the point of control here of this range and we failed to go above, and it's now showing weakness. We might be heading down here, okay? Then Amazon, yeah, also poor here. I was going potentially for a double 1-2. It can still be possible here. ABC, you could label it like this, but again, once we hit this 86 at 204, this double 1-2 becomes very low in probabilities. Indicate increasing probabilities to take this low, and then probably also to attack this low and make a new low. Next up we have the 618 here, taken from the April lows to this high at 193.37. Okay, of course it can still try, but once you hit this, structure starts to break even more than it's already doing. Microsoft showing weakness as well. This is gonna be a 3-wave move most likely as well, because like, yeah, counting this as a 1-2-1-2 is becoming very unlikely now because of how deep this price is going and how long this has been taken. But I'll add the 886 here as well as an indication. Look, once we hit this, the double 1-2 is, yeah, even more unlikely, and we'll take this low and probably this one as well. So at 392.47. Oracle, also similar here, it's failing. ABC, we reacted to the 1-to-1, and now this is, yeah, starting to break structure a little bit. We're back below this point of control. I mean, it's fighting still, but locally, if you want to count this move up as like a 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4-5, 4-5, our wave 4 went below the 618, so that's not nice. And we have like a near 886 hit here in the low, also not so strong. Yeah, might be an indication that we're gonna have a few more weeks of, yeah, red price action. Okay, but I'll keep you posted. Think that's all I've got to say. Maybe the oil price. Oil is not doing too much either today. Can still be labeled as an ABC, but like silver and gold are doing pretty bad. So yeah, let's see. It's really, we have to follow the news as well with this one. It can be labeled as a 3-wave move, yes, but then it should start to break down here. If it keeps going up and gets back above this local point of control, yeah, we might not be done yet, and this might go and take the high still. Okay, but more on this if you have more data on Monday. And then, yeah, to repeat myself, for the S&P, just watch this point of control at 6,764. Ideally we close above it, but it's gonna be impossible, I think. And then the 20 EMA here sitting at 6,804. Should we be able to get above that one as well, it would be really good, but yeah, it's very unlikely. Okay, so be prepared that we probably can move towards this next area here to the downside. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.